In this tutorial, let's look at how to add artboards, edit them, and also rearrange or duplicate artboards. So first we can do Shift-O to bring us into editing, and to draw a new artboard we can, holding down Option and Shift, click on the artboard and drag it over to copy. If you want to change the dimensions, I'm working in inches right now. At the very top bar is your width and height. You can manually type that. You can also free draw an artboard however you'd like. If you want to duplicate an artboard that you've already made in a different way, you can go to your Artboard panel, which is Window, Artboards, and it's got a couple rectangles overlapping for the icon. You can click on an artboard and drag it to this little post-it to copy, and you can see that one selected now. You can rename the artboard. Up here at the top you'll see it has a name. If you want to rearrange your artboards, make them a little bit more organized, in the flyout menu of the Artboards panel you can do Rearrange all artboards, and it'll give you options on the layout. Usually do by row. You can choose how many columns and the spacing and which way it's going to order them direction wise. You can, most of the time you're going to want to move your artboard, move the artwork with the artboard, so I have that selected. Or you can always click and drag when you're still in this editing mode to organize them, and I have my smart guides on so they'll snap and align to each other. Whenever you're done, you can click on the black arrow or type V on the keyboard. If you need to get back into this mode, you can hit Shift-O to get into editing. Another way to get into editing would be to go to File, Document Setup, and there's an Edit Artboards option. I find that the easiest is just Shift-O. So once I'm done, I hit V, and we're ready to create artwork. If this video helped you out, please like it and subscribe.